Winter had arrived in full force. The wind howled, the trees stood frozen, and a tiny bird flapped its weary wings, fighting against the brutal cold. The little bird had started its journey too late, and now the freezing air was sinking into its bones. Its wings grew heavier with each beat, until finally it crashed into the snow. Too weak to move, too cold to fight, the bird lay there, shivering. It was over. But then, something unexpected happened. A big old cow wandered by. It noticed the helpless little bird, thought for a moment, and then, plop! It dropped a steaming pile of manure right on top of it. At first, the bird panicked. Seriously? First, I freeze to death, and now this. The warmth of the manure started to thaw the bird out. Blood rushed back into its tiny body. It could feel its wings again. It was alive. And that's when trouble arrived. A fox, lurking nearby, heard the happy chirping. Curious, it followed the sound and soon spotted the little bird. With a sly grin, the fox carefully pulled the bird out of the manure, dusted it off, and said, "Well, look at you. All better now." The bird beamed with gratitude. What a kind fox. And then, chomp! The fox ate the bird in one bite. The moral of the story: sometimes, life's worst moments are actually saving you. Beware of those who seem to help, but have their own agenda. Not every victory needs to be announced. Sometimes, silence is survival.